Imagine you crack the J and after doing engineering for 4 years, and when you just step out from your college, you just see that the job that you have chosen does not exist anymore. Not because you were lazy, not because the company was not there, because now machine can do your work at faster, cheaper and without a salary. In India itself, lakhs of engineering jobs are in danger due to the AI and automation. So from every sector, from engineering to design, from manufacturing to content creators, all these fields are not safe from the AI and automation. So the question is, will you be replaced by AI, or you will learn the AI irreplaceable? So stay in the video at the end, and by the end of the video you will able to know that which jobs are safe and which jobs are not safe in the coming era of AI. So let's start the video. So if you are a student or if you are a working professional, this video is for you. You can just see this video and you can just get the roadmap that you needed. It's predicted that by 2030 most of the jobs will be irrelevant, and most of the jobs that will be replaced by the AI. And by with coming of AI and fear, there is another prediction that is happening in the AI domain, which is by disrupting the current job, it will create additional job also. And it is estimated that around 41 million jobs will be created with the help of AI. So the first topic is how AI is changing the engineering. So if you are a mechanical engineering student, you use CAD. So CAD is a software which helps you to make a 3D image of a product that you are imagining to make it. So if you see the interface of the CAD, it is very complicated, and it takes lot of hours to make a design or to make a prototype of design. So manually you have to sit and you have to use the tool to make it. But with the today's tools, you can just make a simple prototype design or simple blueprint of a product in within few minutes. You have to just describe what you want and it will make a complete blueprint of your product. Large companies and IT companies are not waiting. They are already training their employees with the AI. They are just training the people and they are just upskilling their employees, make them to work with the AI. And they have also seen the productivity just 5 to 10% to 25 to 30% even. So this means, like in manufacturing and in the IT sector, the works that are repetitive and mundane works, that will be replaced by the AI. If you want to enter things in data or Excel, you need a people that insert the data into the Excel. So that work is a repetitive task. So that is a higher chance that it will taken by the AI. So now let's come to the second part, that is which jobs are at higher risk. So data shows that the work that is not creative and where the human brains work less at that type of work is easily replaceable, like junior developers. Because the junior developers and the role of the junior developers is to write the code, which is very basic and which is very boilerplate stuff. So that can be automated by the AI. So that role can be disappear. And the second one is test engineers, the people who just see the code and debug the code. So currently there are many tools and apps that are available by which you can just put your code and it will debug and it will also correct it automatically. And the third one is CAD operators. In the starting of the video I have just given the example, like the CAD operators, the people who operate the software like CAD, which takes a lot of time to build a blueprint, that can be also automated. So now let's come to the third part, that is the jobs that are not irreversible. So till now I have just told you like the horror side of the AI, but if you just think like the work that will not be replaced or not easily replaced by the AI, the first one is product manager, the people who manages the product and the team, the people who act like a bridge between an idea or a product or technical team. So there is an involvement of humans, so that role can be very difficult to crack. And the second one is system engineers, the people who make the system for the AI models to run. So there also you need to think according to the problem. And the third one is field engineers, the people who just work on the fields, like engineers who are working at gas station or gas company, where you have to manually go to the field and just check all the things are working or not. So now let's come to the fourth part, that is salary gap. So the traditional engineers who are not implemented or who are not familiar with the AI, their salary ranges basically from 3 to 20 LPA, So these are the people who, the salary ranges basically depends upon the experience, and the engineers who are adapted to the AI, their salary range can be go from 10 to 40 lakhs LP also. So that's the thing. So you need to, it is clearly, seeing that you have to learn AI, you have to work with the AI, then only you can just make something beautiful out of AI. So now step 5 comes like how to survive in the AI era. So first one is data fundamentals. So you need to learn about data, how data transfers, and what is data, and how data is used to train the AI models. So if you are a mechanical civil engineer also, you need to little bit know about the technical and AI part of that. And the second is programming, and it's not like that you have to write code. Programming basically means understanding the code, like if I want to make a machine to do something, then exactly what the syntax do for it. So it's not like memorizing the code, because AI can write 1,000 times better code than you. So it's basically understanding the logic behind it. And the third one is AI tool mastery. You need to master ChatGPT, Gemini, and other AI large language models which is used in your daily life. So you need to excel that. You need to understand basics of it, like how the ChatGPT is giving you the answer, what's the algorithm works on it, what's the algorithm runs behind that. And the fourth one is cloud basic, like how you can just deploy your models on cloud, what is Azure, and how you just deploy large models on the cloud. So all these things you need to learn. And the fifth one is deep domain expertise. It's basically means like if you are in computer field, then you need to be an expert in that field, so that you can just use these models very effectively. If you are standing middle of this generation, then report says that AI will disrupt lots of jobs that will be in millions, but it is also said that it will create millions of jobs also. So it's not like that AI will disrupt all jobs, but it will create new ones also. So you need to just upskill yourself, and you need to just learn the AI with your daily life. So you have to make a habit of learning the AI. So that's basically my call. So that's for the video. So if you like the video, just hit like and subscribe. Thank you.